Okay, next even we have a reduction in the same manner. For this we have a formula, that is integration of sine power mx into cos power nx dx. If we have this is also equal to minus sine of m minus 1 into x into cos power n plus 1 into x by m plus n plus m minus 1 by m plus n into I m minus 2 comma n. Okay, so this also we can use. Why? Because in this previous form, what I did here, sine power mx into cos power nx, same only I took, but here the form, here this formula is different, this is the different formula. Here what is the difference between these two is, here m comma n minus 2 I got, but here m minus 2 comma n I got. So here what is, how we are going to get this one is, here what I am doing, cos n minus 1 into cos x I am writing, no? Instead of this, putting this cos power nx as it is, if you write this cos power mx as a sine power mx as a sine m minus 1 into x into sine x, if you write and proceed, this you are going to get. Okay, so remember this both the formulas. We will see one example now. So example number 3 now. So example number 3. So evaluate integration of sine power 5x into cos power 4x dx. So here if I apply this formula, suppose second formula if I apply, so how I am going to get, you see, I here m comma n means 5 comma 4. So depending on that, what I am going to get, if I apply this formula, minus of sine power 4x into cos power n means 4 plus 1, 5 into x by m plus n is 5 plus 4, that is 9, plus m minus 1, that is 5 minus 1, 4, by m plus n is 9 into I m minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3, comma n is 4, I3 comma 4. Again we need to find I3 comma 4. So I3 comma 4 is equal to minus sine power, what you are going to get, m minus 1, that is square x into cos power 5x by 3 plus 4, m plus n, no, that is 3 plus 4, 7, plus here m minus 1 by m plus n is 2 by 7 into I 1 comma 4 this time. So here I 1 comma 4 is what? I 1 comma 4, don't substitute in the formula. I 1 comma 4, it is equal to integration of sin x into cos power 4x dx, no? I 1 comma 4 means sin power 1 into x into cos power 4x dx. So here to evaluate this integration, what I will do is put cos x is equal to t. Cos x is equal to t means minus sin x dx is equal to dt, no? So here this is equal to integration of minus sin x dx is equal to dt, means here minus dt, cos we are assumed as t, so t power 4, so which is equal to minus t power 5 by 5 plus c, which is equal to minus cos power 5x by 5 plus c. So finally overall integration of sine power 5x into cos power 4x dx, what I am going to get, which is equal to, first this one, minus sine power 4x into cos power 5x by 9 plus 4 by 9 into I3 comma 4, again this one, minus sine square x into cos power 5x by 7 plus 2 by 7 into I 1 comma 4. I 1 comma 4 is minus cos power 5x by 5, at last plus c you can put out. Okay, now by simplifying this completely, minus sin power 4x cos power 5x, but 9 plus this minus, if you multiply 4 by 63 into sin square x into cos power 5x. Next this into this minus 8 by 63, again 63 5 315 into cos power 5x plus c we are going to get. Okay, the same integration, the same this one, if you use this formula, the previous formula, you are going to get in different manner. Okay, that is also correct, it's not a problem, anyone you can apply. So based on this, next one more reduction formula we are going to discuss now. So that is integration of reduction formula for fourth one, integration of tan power nx dx for an integer n greater than or equal to 2 here. Suppose that in is equal to integration of tan power nx dx. So here this one I write it as tan power n minus 2 into x into tan square x dx. So which is equal to integration of tan power n minus 2 into x into tan square x, I will write it as secant square x minus 1 dx, which is equal to tan power n minus 2 into x into secant square x dx minus integration of tan power n minus 2 into x dx. Now here in this integration put tan x is equal to t. Tan x is equal to t means secant square x dx is equal to dt I will get. So this integration will be like t power n minus 2 into secant square x dx is equal to, however it is equal to dt, minus this one is equal to what? When we are considering this one as in, this will be equal to what? In minus 2 only, no? So in minus 2. So integration for this one is t n minus 2 plus 1 by n minus 2 plus 1 minus n minus 2. So t power n minus 1 by n minus 1 minus n minus 2. So t is what actually? Tan x. So tan n minus 1 into x by n minus 1 minus n minus 2, which is equal to in, nothing but integration of tan power nx dx here. Okay, so here tan power nx dx is equal to what? Tan n minus 1 into x by n minus 1 minus n minus 2. So here also remember that when n is equal to an even number, so suppose 6 minus 2, 4 will do, next 4 minus 2, again I2, next 2 minus 2, I0. I0 is equal to what? Here tan power 0 into x means 1 dx. So integration of 1 dx is equal to x. So again if n is odd, suppose if n is equal to 5, so in this formula 5 minus 2, I3, next 3 minus 2, sorry 5 minus 2, 3, next 3 minus 2, I1 means tan x. So for tan x what we have formula? Integration of tan x dx is equal to log of secant x plus c. Like that we can apply. So we'll look at one example here, example 4. So evaluate integration of tan power 6x dx. So by applying this formula, I6 we have to find first. So which is equal to tan power 6 minus 1 into x by 6 minus 1 minus I4. Again I4 we need tan power 4 minus 1 into x by 4 minus 1 minus I2. Next I2 we need tan power 2 minus 1 into x by 2 minus 1 minus I0. I0 is equal to what? Integration of tan power 0 into x, which is equal to 1 dx, which is equal to x. So 1 by 1 if you substitute, tan power 6 into x dx is equal to tan power 6 minus 1 is 5 into x by 5 minus I4. I4 is tan power 3x by 3 minus I2. I2 is tan power x, 2 minus 1 is 1 only, by 1 again minus I naught is equal to x plus c. This is the final answer. So like this, step by step we can get it. So minus in minus 2 no here. Okay, minus we have here in every formula. So with that what you are going to get is here minus only, here plus we are going to get, this will be minus only. Okay, so this is the final answer. So at last reduction formula we are going to discuss now. So fifth one, reduction formula for integration of secant power n into x dx. Here also for n is greater than or equal to 2 here. So let us suppose that in is equal to integration of secant power n into x dx, which I will write it as secant power n minus 2 into x into secant square x dx. So I am going to apply by parts formula here directly. So in is equal to secant power n minus 2 into x into integration of secant square x dx minus integration of derivative of secant power n minus 2 into x into integration of secant square x dx whole dx, which is equal to secant power n minus 2 into x into secant square x derivative is tan x minus derivative of this one is what, n minus 2 into secant power n minus 3 into x and into secant x derivative, again internal derivative we have to do, secant x into tan x we will get for that, and for this tan x dx. Okay, all these terms we are getting. So secant power n minus 2 into x into tan x minus n minus 2 is a constant, I am writing it out, into integration of secant x into secant n power n minus 3 means secant power n minus 2 into x into tan square x. So that tan square x how I am writing is secant square x minus 1 I am writing. So which is equal to secant power n minus 2 into x into tan x minus n minus 2 of integration of, on multiplying these two what I am going to get, secant power nx dx, again minus into minus plus n minus 2 into integration of secant power n minus 2 into x into 1 is secant power n minus 2 into x dx. Now tell me secant power n minus 2 into x into tan x minus n minus 2 of what, it is equal to in only, no, this is in minus plus n minus 2 into this is n minus 2. So here we have one in. So let us take this n minus 2 into in this side. So in plus n minus 2 into in is equal to secant power n minus 2 into x into tan x plus n minus 2 into n minus 2. Now here in if taken common, 1 plus n minus 2 is equal to secant power n minus 2 into x into tan x plus n minus 2 into n minus 2. So in into n minus 2 plus 1 is n minus 1. That n minus 1 I am taking that side. So secant power n minus 2 into x by n minus 1 into tan x plus n minus 2 by n minus 1 into n minus 2. So this is the reduction formula for secant power nx. So let us look at an example. So example number 5, last example, integration of suppose secant power 5x dx we have. So I5 we have to find first of all. So I5 is equal to, here 5 minus 1 is 4. So 1 by 4 of secant cube x, n minus 2 means 5 minus 2 is 3. So secant cube x into tan x plus here n minus 2 by n minus 1 means 5 minus 2 is 3, 5 minus 1 is 4, I minus 2, n minus 5 minus 2 is again I3. I3 if we find, I3 is equal to 1 by 2 of secant x into tan x plus 1 by 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 into I1. Next I1, if you find I1 is equal to what? Integration of secant x only, no? Integration of secant x dx. So which is formula for which one is log of secant x plus tan x is the formula for this. We will write it as it is. So therefore at last integration of secant power 5x dx is equal to, first initially what we got, 1/4 of secant cube x into tan x plus 3 by 4 of I3. I3 is what? Half of secant x into tan x plus half of I1. I1 is equal to log of secant x plus tan x plus c out. So on simplifying further, 1/4 of secant cube x into tan x plus 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 8 into secant x into tan x plus 3 ones are 3 by 8 into log of secant x plus tan x plus c. So this is the end of the reduction formulas, and even of course the end of your indefinite integral theory part also. So we will be left with some problems from the fact material. So last time in the worksheet I had sent you 15 problems. Hope you all tried it. So what level you had tried, tomorrow after sending the solutions you once check it clearly. If you have any doubt you can ask me, it's not a problem. Next in the next stage I am going to send the remaining all the problems from the fact material. I think some you had completed 44 by the last worksheet. Next I will be sending more 15, and after that again 15. So with that we can complete this chapter. If possible, after conducting one more fact test, we will go for the next chapter, that is definite integrations. Okay, thank you.